there, it's Kate with Bravo. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure tax rate components for your tax rules. This lets Bravo automatically break out your total tax rate into city, county, and state, so you don't have to do the math yourself. Let's jump in. From the Bravo dashboard, we're going to head to the right side menu and click System Configuration. On the left, go ahead and click the company name. It's all the way at the top. Then we'll pop over to the Taxes tab and click Edit. Next, we'll highlight our tax nexus from the list. Click into the tax rule you want to update. Now, we're going to head to the Rate Components section and click the green plus button. Let's add city, county, and state as our components. We're going to type in the name of your first component and enter the percentage rate. Then, do the same for the next two. And just a heads up, all the components have to add up to the full tax rate for that rule. Once you've got those in, go ahead and repeat the process for any other tax rules you want to configure. When you're all set, click Save to lock it in. And that's it. We just set up tax rate components so Bravo can automatically split your tax by authority. If you have any questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat, Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.